Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Share and Shine. If you are new to the channel, my name is Pallavi and here I upload videos related to fashion, lifestyle, review videos and also at times cooking videos. So the last cooking videos that I uploaded was the dosa recipe videos. So most of you like that, and also on my last video I asked you all to provide your suggestion, your feedback, like what type of videos you like to watch. So some of you mentioned like you have not seen cooking video from long time in my channel Shade and Shine. So I thought, yeah, let me come up with a cooking video. So here I am with two recipes. It's a easy quick two recipes, so you can try that and let me know how it goes for you, where you like if you were able to replicate it, and if it was tasty. Yeah, of course, that comes first. So yeah friends, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So before going to the video, please do subscribe, and also please friends stay tuned to this channel, and also after pressing the subscribe, please do press the bell icon as well, so that you get notification whenever I upload a new video. And apart from that, please do follow me on my Instagram so we can stay connected over there. So my friends, so with all that note, yeah, let's start today's video. In the first recipe, we are going to prepare dahi kebab. So for that we need hung curd. Here I have taken normal curd, and with the help of this cloth I have removed the excess water, and here is our hung curd is ready. To coat the dahi kebab, we need breadcrumbs. Here we are preparing the breadcrumbs at home. Actually, I'm running out of stock of breadcrumbs, so here instead I had bread. So I'm just crumbling the bread and heating it for some time. After that, we will grind this. Add chopped onions and other spices to this hung curd as per your taste. Here also adding slight amount of besan to the curd so that we get the desired consistency to give a proper shape to the kebab balls. Give it a proper mix. And coming to spices that I have added are chopped onions, chopped green chilies, chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, cumin seeds, and a pinch of garam masala. So mix it properly so that all the spices get mixed well with the curd and the slight besan. Make this kind of balls of the curd mixture, and here is how the breadcrumbs looks like after grinding, and here I have put oil on the pan to heat. Now coat these dahi balls with breadcrumbs. I have done in this flattened kind of shape so that it gets cooked well from all the side. Just coat it well from all the side with breadcrumbs, and then we are good to fry this. Fry it well from both the side. Fry it until it turns golden brown. Trust me friends, these homemade dahi kebab are really yum. You just need to try it once. Just try and let me know. This is how it will look like after you are done. This will turn this golden brown, and these are really yum friends, as I mentioned. So please try and let me know. So now coming to the second recipe, here we are preparing pani puri. Yes friends, you have heard it right. We call it by different names, right? Mostly some says it's golgappe, puska, yeah, many names. So here I am preparing this with the help of these pellets. I purchased this online. You can buy it from the stores nearby you if it's available, and if not, yeah, you can go for the online option. So you have this kind of pellets, so using which you can enjoy pani puri at home as well. And these are really easy to make, and actually I was just done preparing this. You can see this ball, it's completely full, but at the end I thought, yeah, let me share with you all as well, because most of my friends keep asking me how I make, because we get this available not in pellet kind of, because most of the people they don't know about these pellets. that are available. So this is almost finished. Let me show you. I purchased this from Happy Day Grocer. Here I have boiled potatoes for pani puri stuffing. Mash the potatoes well and add masalas as per your taste. Here I have added chopped onions, chopped chilies, chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, slight amount of garam masala and slight amount of chaat masala. I prepared pani of pani puri with the help of raw tamarind, added a pinch of salt and a pinch of chaat masala. Dun ta-da! Our pani puri is ready. Hope you liked both the recipe. Please let me know which one you like the most and which one you are going to try first. So please let me know, comment me below. So friends, yeah, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe and please do share with others. So friends, until my next video, bye bye.